Pag nakita nyo sa personal, medyo wala akong makitang coverage. Siya masyado nagiging premium because ang dami ng premium sa market. Tapos pag-usapan natin siya after. First na gusto kong sabihin, out of all the Adorn products, ito lang yung fragrance-free and finally, nakinggan tayo ni Camille. Ito na. Fragrance-free sunscreen from Adorn. Thank you. This is the Adorn Premium Tinted Sunscreen. Sunscreen offers SPF 50, PA+++, broad spectrum protection. Yung nilagay na UV filters dito ay titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which are my two favorite UV filters. So I know, okay, sa good points muna tayo. I love na fragrance-free na siya and gumamit sila ng mineral or physical UV filters dahil gusto siguro nilang i-cater all skin types. Kasi guys, alam naman natin na kapag fragrance-free or mineral sunscreen, mas okay na okay kahit sensitive pa yung skin mo. I love na nagstay sila sa ganitong packaging kasi sobrang daling i-squeeze. Tignan nyo, ilabas yung product from the packaging. May enjoy talaga to ng oily skin because it's really non-greasy. Meron tong niacinamide kaya medyo matagal yung pag-o-oil ng skin mo dahil yung niacinamide meron siyang power to control excess sebum and oil. Meron din siyang brightening effect. Speaking of brightening effect, meron din tong alpha-arbutin which can brighten your skin. Meron din tong hydrating ingredients like aloe vera extract, camellia seed oil, and glycerine. Lahat naman na binanggit ko guys na ingredients, all skin types, magugustuhan naman talaga itong mga to. So, clap tayo doon. Apply tayo ng one finger sa left side. Tignan nyo ha. Tapos pag-usapan natin siya after. Tignan nyo na mabuti. Dito, i-layer by layer natin siya. Sige, lagyan natin ha. Ayan. Nakita nyo naman, di ba? Sana binibilang nyo yung seconds, wala tong cut. Kung gaano siya kadaling i-apply sa skin. Ayan. Okay. Walang pagpipeel ng skin. By the way, I have moisturizer. Before ako nag-apply, wala siyang pagbabalat. Which is good. Walang pagbabalat. This is with. This is without. At yung finish niya, definitely, hindi siya greasy. Okay, ito na yung mga points of improvement lang. I wish it has more coverage. As in, very light coverage. But I do understand na gustong maging safe ni Adorn, ni Camille, na lahat makakagamit ng Adorn Tinted Sunscreen. Kasi kapag kinapalan nila yung tint, baka hindi nila ma-target lahat ng market since one shade lang naman yung ni-release nila. Last point ko na lang, medyo may kasame siyang name. Tingnan nyo, Premium Tinted Sunscreen, you know what I'm talking about. Pag marami na masyadong nag-release ng product name na merong premium, hindi na siya masyado nagiging premium because ang dami ng premium sa market. Sana they came up with a unique product name, pero I don't mind. Maganda yung finish niya. Hope you can try it. Maganda siya. So, kung tatanungin niyo ako, ano mas maganda? For me, mas gusto ko to. Mas gusto ko, I am Team Adorn Tinted Sunscreen. Ayun lang guys. I love you.